Good afternoon, this is John from Radco and Baxter. I'm here to talk to you guys about the truck seal. If your truck bed looks like mine and you drive down a lot of dirt roads, or in the winter you get the snow dust in there, you need one of these seals. I'm gonna show you kind of how it goes on today and you can get it from there. So the first key is to make sure you got a nice clean surface here. I like to take some isopropylene alcohol and water, just kind of spray it down. And we'll take our microfiber, just kind of clean it all up here nice and good. So once we get that done, we'll take we got some Norton adhesion promoter here with one of our little daubers. And then we'll just kind of, people with bed liners, what we kind of do is we run the 3M tape right along the edge here, so that way you get the maximum adhesion. So we'll take some of our promoter. We'll just go like this. So this promoter just kind of helps it stick a little bit better. Some of these places that are prone to dust and all that other stuff, it helps it just adhere. So once we get that done, we'll give it a couple of minutes here to dry, and we'll get the trail seal here, truck seal, all mocked up for you. So we'll just kind of take it and measure it here. I like to go right to the edge of your support for the tailgate. I'll just kind of go about there, mark it, cut that. I'll just take this here, measure it out, so that way we get them pretty relatively close to the same length. So we'll do that, then we'll just peel this tape off. So now we'll take the 3M tapes right here, we'll take it and we'll stick it as far over as we can, but not on the bed liner. So we'll go all the way down. So it'll be like that. So we'll take just a little piece here. I like to go all the way up to the bed caps just so you get that maximum seal. I'm trying to keep all that dirt and dust out of there. So I'm gonna go over to the other side here. So once again, we'll flip it over so the sticky's facing the inside. We'll go right up like so. Pushed on good there. Once again, we'll stick a little piece up here in the corner just to kind of try and seal that up. And then we'll move on to the bottom here. So on these, I like to go right up to the corner, about right here. I'll actually cut it a little bit longer so I can kind of tuck it right up behind. And then on these ones, we'll peel the tape off a little bit, and we'll take the 3M adhesion tape. We'll go kind of peel that back a little bit, go right up like that. And if you use your truck like I do, I don't want to rip this seal off every time, so we're going to try and keep it, you know, below the bed, but get a good seal so we don't get any of that dirt in there. So, and then once again, I'll kind of peel that back a little bit, stick that there. And that's how you install the truck seal. Just a reminder, you guys can get a free truck seal at the purchase of any roll-up tonneau cover, and you know, don't be afraid to give us a call or give us an email. Thanks for shopping at Radco today.